guys, welcome to Foreigner in the Philippines. So it's still El Nino. So look at that, there's no rain. So it's very bagtok the land. So what? It's so bagtok.
Hard.
What's the English of bagtok, lovely?
Hard.
Wow. Sa taas ang ulong ko lovely. Asa ba? Gani? Kasaka ka lovely. Kadit sa taliklig. Tamis ni.
Yes.
Sige, pagdani.
Yes. Nusa ko pa ko. Na.
Gamay ra.
Kumbiyaan.
So it's season time for these fruits. We call it, I forgot what's the English of it, but parents call it wild berry, but there's a right name for this. So it's free. It's free. Asa ba? Yung katam is hindi, kumbayutin. Na 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 na.
Okay.
Bili malagi. Dili tanah. Dili tamis. Apod. Apod dili.
Apod puto dito. Yung apod ah. Mas bentahan na lang.